Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for Sims 4 error code 125 5924646B bc04elce. The error reads, "The game failed to load. It is recommended that you relaunch the game." As per our research, this error occurs when players try to load their Sims character. Some users have shared that the error only happens with a specific character, making it impossible to play. Additionally, the issue started for some players after installing any mods. According to our research, this error is likely caused by a mod conflict, corrupted cache, or game file issues. However, in some cases it may also be related to server-side issues or a game bug. To deal with the error, first restart the game along with your router. Then check if you need to update the Sims 4. If an update is available, install it and check for the error. If the error persists, try deleting any recently added mods or any mods you may suspect may be causing the error, then check if the issue still comes. If the error persists, start a new game without any mods. Once the game loads, turn them back on and switch back to your existing save. If you still get the error, then try clearing the cache and then repair the game files. Give this a try and see if this helps. If you still get the error, wait for some time and try again. If the issue is server-related, it should resolve on its own. If the error is caused by a bug, a new update might be released to fix it. In case the error continues for too long, we suggest you reach out to EA support for further assistance. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.